Good evening, Mr. Ijaz.
Good evening. How are you?
So today,
Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah, all good.
all good.
So today, my question about cell saver.
Okay.
How can assemble the cell saver, and what is
The usages of cell saver.
exactly?
So actually, first off, before assembling the cell saver, I just need to tell you about the cell saver is used for it is a blood conservation technique. Actually, we are preserving or we are saving the red cells, the patient's own blood, which is going to be bleed, and instead of going to wastage, we'll try to re-infuse to the patient by help of cell saver. Cell saver is a technique, is a blood conservation technique where we just wash the salvage the red blood cells of the patients, and the rest of the things will going to be washed out. And there is a different type of consoles available for the cell saver, and today we're going to learn how to assemble Medtronic autologous cell saver.
Please.
So before we'll start the autologous cell saver, this is a different disposables items, so which I need to show you. So first of all, we have the cardiotomy reservoir, which is helping to suck out the blood from the field and collected in the. This is a hard shell cell saver reservoir, and it comes like this. So all the ports are closed, and then there is a spike which is going to be connected in the bottom of the cell saver kit. So I'm going to connect it like this, see, and always remember there is a clip, so just to close it. If you need only to use the reservoir, the wastage is less, so you can just don't waste the rest of the part. So clip, and this is the holder where you're going to you can come and connect it. Okay. In this cell saver we have the vacuum available. Machine have its own vacuums, so we need a vacuum line. So inside the Medtronic kit you will get the vacuum line. I'm going to open the vacuum line. Okay, two connections, two ports. So see here the yellow port, this is for the vacuum. So I'll remove the yellow part, going to hooked our vacuum line, and the other part will going to the vacuum container. See, this is actually the vacuum line, so vacuums. Okay. So this part will create a negative pressure, sucking pressure, and it will be connected with this, so we get a negative here, so we can suck out from the patient with the negative. Then this part is the kit which we already given on the table. So the one part they will use for with the yonker to suck, and the other part they will give us to us. So we'll connect it here, one of this part, and there is a spike, or with like a drip set we have. It will be connected with the saline. So normally we are using 500 saline here. You can use 1000 saline. So the concentration. So we added the anticoagulant in this saline.
How much?
30,000 in a liter. So if you are using 500 ml saline, so you can use 15,000 unit at least heparin. So that patients with blood is coming not going to be clotted. To prevent the clotting in the reservoir, so we use a heparinized normal saline. And initially we added 200 ml before to suck out. So when we get a blood, at least you have an anticoagulant available in the reservoir. Okay.
Okay.
So now will come the other part. This is the bowl. So here I'll do one thing. You can come here. I'll keep it here. So,
that's nice.
Nice, na? So I'll just open this part. Okay. Clear. Now this is the wastage bags. The time when we wash the red cells, so we need extra normal saline drips. So to wash out the wash back cells, so it will going to hooked here. I can show you. Come this side, I'll show you. So what I'll do, I will connect it here, and see here this spike. So this is the wastage bag. Clear? Now see, this is the bag in which you collected the washed back cells. Okay, so I'll clamp this part, and I'll always keep these two open. So I can move this bit more, so it can be. So I'll hang this here. Okay. Now you will see there is the three parts, and this is the basically your pump. It will go into pump head. So see, there is a groove and the connections. You will find the male part here. See, this is the male part. See this? See this male part?
Yes.
So this is the female part. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be connected with the waist. So I will keep this direction to the waist side. Okay. So see, this male part is going to the female. See, and I'll push that down, and then I'll make a continuous click. You found
Okay.
sound the click?
Yes, sir.
Then I will take this part and going to connect it with the waist bottle. Okay. Now you need another part to come near to me. So now this part will going to in the roller pump. So
Which
this
part?
is this two part.
Yes.
So before this will be free. So this part will go into the rollers end. So I'll just pull it, going to hook it inside. Okay. So now it will go like this. And this is the lock of this. I'll just open and I'll bring it this here. So now the direction of this, like, see, automatically it's going to be seated like this. So all three lines should be free. It should be inside. So this is your sensor here.
Okay.
So, okay. Now it will going to fix it, and I get locked. Now this will going to hook with the salines for washing. Okay. And this part is going to, so I'll keep it here. This part will going into the, see, the end of outlet of reservoir. So I connected it. So once you on the machine, vacuum create, you suck the volume through this
one
sterile line, which is going to suck out the volume with the irrigation, with the hypernized irrigation, and suck it here, and then you proceed, and it will work for as a cell saver. Cell saver is a very nice and good blood conservation technique to save the patient's blood.
Thank you.
Have a nice and good day.
Thank you. That was really useful.
Thank you so much.